Question number 5. Guna has fixed a single door of width 3 feet in his room, whereas Northern has fixed a double door, each of width 1.5 feet in his room. From the closed position, if each the single and double doors can open up to 120 degree, whose door takes a minimum area. So, Guna fixed a single door with 3 feet. Okay. Northern fix a double door, each of with 1.5 feet. Okay, this is the important. ரெண்டு டோர் ஓப்பன் பண்ணும்போது they can open up to 120 degree அது ஓப்பன் ஆகுது. Whose door takes a minimum area? இப்போ question புரிஞ்சுச்சா? Next, see the solution. Now take first Northern's door. Northern. So this is a wall. Take this, consider this as a door. So it is in open, it makes a 120 degree. So this wall going to like this. Okay. So it is make an sector. So this is 120 degree. This feet is 3 feet distance door. Okay. Next, Guna. First Guna, next only Northern. Guna. Here Northern. So this is a 1.5 feet. 1/2 feet. But it is a double door. Okay. So it is also opening 120 degree. So this is make an sector. So this is 120 degree. So 1.5 means we can write 1 plus 1/2. Can be written as take LCM or cross multiplication. 2 ones are 2. Here 1 is there. 1 into 1, 1. So plus 1. So we get 2 plus 1, 3/2 feet. Okay. So now find out area. So A is equal to theta is given. So A is equal to theta by 360 into pi r squared. So theta 120 by 360 into pi. Pi right as it is. Next r is equal to 3. So 3 squared. So 0 0 cancel. 12 ones are 12. 12 3s are 36. 3 ones are here 1 3 cancel. So remaining 3 into pi. We get 3 pi. This is Guna's area. Okay, next I am going to identify Northern's area. So A is equal to theta by 360 into pi r squared. Theta 120 by 360 into pi into r. 3/2 the whole squared. So 0 0, 12 ones are 12 3s are 36. So we get 1/3 into pi into, now multiple 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. So 9/4. Now I am going to cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9. So final answer 3 into pi, 3 pi by 4. So one more mark. There Northern is using 2 door, no double door, no. So I am going to write here 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into. So here I am going to divide. 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 4. So final answer 2. 3/2. Now compare the areas. This is 3 pi. This is 3/2. So which is minimum here? This only. So I am going to write Northern double door. Northern's double door requires the minimum area. Requires the minimum area. Sixth question. In a rectangular field which measures 15 meter into 8 meter, Cows are tied with a rope of the length 3 meter at 4 corners of the field and also at the center. Find the area of the field where no cows can graze. Now see the solution. Now listen. This is a rectangular field. Okay, these measures are given for you 15 meter and 8 meter. 15 meter length, 8 meter breadth. Okay. So 50 meter. Cows are tied with a rope of a length 3 meter at 4 corners. So 3 meter distance la cow வந்து tie பண்ணிருக்காங்க at the 4 corners. Yeah. So this distance 3 meter. 3 meter. So here also 3 meter, 3 meter, 3 meter. Okay. 3 meter, 3. So, okay. Next question, listen. And also the center. So, this is center part. So, this distance also 3 meter. Okay, ma? Next, what they are asking, find the area of the field where no cows can graze. So, இதனுடைய ஏரியா நம்ம ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ண சொல்லி கேக்குறாங்க. கவுஸ் சாப்பிடாத புல்லு சாப்பிடாத பகுதியை மட்டும் நம்ம ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணாலே போதும். So, நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்? First we are going to identify area of rectangle and area of 4 shaded region. And then subtract the value, we get the final answer easily. Now see the solution. First identify area of rectangle. Formula L into B. Length 15 into 8. 15 8s are 120 meter is given, so meter square. Next I am going to identify area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. See, listen, here 4 corners is there. So 4 into area of quadrant. This part is called a quadrant. So 4 into area of quadrant plus area of circle. Area of circle. Are you able to understand? Okay, now listen. 4 into area of quadrant, we know that formula pi r squared by 4 plus area of circle formula pi r squared. Now substitute the value or listen. 4 get cancelled, remaining pi r squared plus pi r squared, we get 2 pi r squared. Okay, now substitute the value. 2 into pi value 3.14 into r radius, this is given. So all the radius 3 meter only. So 3 into 3. So we get 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. 18 into 3.14. So we get, now multiple, 314 into 18. 8 4s are 32, remaining 3, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11, balance 1, 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25. 4 1s are 4, 1 into 1, 1, 3 1s are 3. So 2, 5, 6, 5. So final answer 56.52 meter square. 56.52 meter square. Finally, what they are asking, area of the field. So, final area of the field where no cows can graze is equal to, so subtract the value from area of rectangle minus area of shaded region. Area of rectangle minus area of shaded region. Now 120 minus 56.52. Now subtract the value, we get 63.48 meter squared. Write in bracket approximately. This is the final answer for 6th question. 7th question. 3 identical coins, each of diameter 6 cm, are placed as shown. Find the area of the shaded region between the coins. பாருங்க, 3 coins are fitted and the diameter also is given. Find the shaded region of the coins. Now see the solution. Now listen, this is the given for you. They are asking find the area of shaded region. That is this part only they are asking. Okay, ma. Now listen, this is in equilateral triangle. So how many sectors are forming here? This one sector 1, this one 2, this one 3. Okay, so 3 sectors are forming. So this is an equilateral triangle, means this is angle also equal, 60 degree, 60 degree, here also 60 degree. Therefore, area of shaded region is equal to area of equilateral triangle minus 3 into area of sectors. Okay, so now substitute the formula. Area of equilateral triangle formula is root 3 by 4a squared minus 3 into area of sector formula theta by 360 degree into pi r squared. Okay, now substitute the value. Root 3 by 4 into side A. They gave 6 diameter. So this fully 6. So we should take here 6 squared minus 3 into theta 60 degree by 360 degree into pi value 3.14 into radius. We should take here 3 into 3. Okay. Now multiple root 3. So we know that root 3 value they gave 1.732 by 4 into 6 squared 36 minus 3 into, now divide 0 0 cancel, 6 1s are 6, 6 6 are 36. Okay, now divide 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So remaining 3. Okay, ma. Remaining 3 into 3.14 into 3 by 2. Now listen. Here also I am going to divide. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. Now multiple 1.732 into 9. So 9 2s are 18. Balance 1. 9 3s are 27 plus 1 28. Balance 2. 9 7s are 63. Plus 2 65. Balance 6. Put point. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 6 15. So 15.588 here minus. Now divide this one. 2 1s are 2. Here also 2 1s are 2. Remaining 1. Put point. Now 11. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. So 9 3 3s are 9. So 9 into 1.57. Now multiple the value. 15.588 minus 1.57 into 9. 63. 9 7s are 63. Balance 6. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 6 51. balance 5, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So we get 2 digit. So 14.13. Now subtract the value 15.588 minus 14.13. Subtract the value, we get 1.46 meter square. This is the final answer for 7th question. The last question, question number 8. Using Euler's formula, find the unknowns. First option, faces is question mark, vertices are given and edges also given. Second option, faces given, vertices question mark, edges also given. Third option, faces 20, vertices 10 and edges question mark. Now see the solution. This is given for you. Faces is question mark, vertices 16, edges 14. We know that the formula, Euler's formula, F plus V minus E equal to 2. Here we are going to use and identify the unknown value. F means faces, V means vertices, E means edges. Now substitute the value. F plus V 6, edges minus 14 equal to 2. So F plus 6 minus 14 we get minus 8. So plus or minus 8 only is equal to 2. So F is equal to 2. Transpose to right side we get plus 8. So 2 plus 8, 10. So this is the face value answer. Okay. Now second one. Second question. Faces equal to 8. Vertices is question mark. Vertices question mark. Edges equal to 10. Now use the Euler's formula. F plus V minus E equal to 2. Now substitute the value. F 8, V question mark, E minus 10 equal to 2. 8 minus 10 we get minus 2. So V minus 2 equal to 2. That implies V equal to 2 plus 2 equal to 4. This is the final answer for second option.